Okay, so I'm back with another video. I am going to be talking about the Beeos hair. It's supposed to be a pre-highlighted wig, so they say. I've seen the wig already, and I'm glad I didn't record my first reaction because it was wild. So there's an elastic band here, wig caps. I think this is a scrunchie, the little thing on it. And if you give them a 5-star review, you get $5 or $3. So I've had a wig from them before. I'll insert a picture or a video probably of it. And it was really fire. It was a highlighted wig, so I said, okay, no problem. I do know that their coloring is amazing, so I'll just go with them again because I needed something to go to Chicago with. And then I also told them that the cap was a bit too big for me, so she said, okay, it's not a problem. We'll go ahead and we'll just add an elastic band here. I said, okay, great. So I thought the wig was just a regular lace slide. It's a T-part. I was completely shocked about it. But I said, you know what? It is what it is. I'm not gonna argue with it as long as the quality is good. So she added my elastic band, which is perfect for me. And it's the T-part. I'm not happy with the coloring. So I reached out to her, or whoever it is that I'm talking to, just the rep, and told them that my hair is way darker than everyone else's because I've seen I've researched my hair. So I've seen everyone else's video and I watched the reviews. I go all on AliExpress. I go all the way to the bottom to start seeing the real reviews. And everyone's hair looks so nice. And again, I've had pre-colored hair from them before and it was amazing. So I reached out to her and I told her I didn't appreciate the fact that my hair is so dark. So she said, okay, we can refund you some money as long as you don't leave us a bad review. I said, okay. What's the partial? $20. I said, no ma'am, I need at least $30 to rebuy the products back to brighten the hair and recolor it. She said, okay, that's fine. Well, I guess I'm waiting too long to make the video, or she's taking too long, but I'm still waiting for my partial refund. So we'll see. I told her I'm not leaving any points or whatever until I get my money back or whatever. So this is my honest review here. This is not a sponsored video. I paid for it myself. So the hair is extremely soft. I don't think it's too thin, and it's true to length. It's actually really long. I'll insert a video here to see what it looks like when I have it on. So what I'm going to do is probably try to fix this wig myself. Because if you look closely, please excuse my husband. He's on that little stupid game and he's so loud. But if you actually look, it just seems like when you first dye hair, when you first bleach it and you lift it and it gets that brown color, that's what most of this is. So I bought a pretty brown to put on it and then to try to get these golden colors. So pray for me. Don't mind how busted I look. Actually, just from work, I go straight to work out, and now I'm home. This is a Wednesday night. I just said I need to get it done before I go to Chicago next week. Because if I don't do it with the quickness, I'm not going to get it done at all. And I'm going to be upset in Chicago. That I can't be a hot girl. So pray for me that this week comes out. That's it. Now stay tuned for the next video so we can see how I fix my wig.